There you are. So proofing to put in about the Geranium phaeum and the common carder bee. Beautiful ginger thorax with the lovely cream sides. Enjoying that Geranium phaeum. We got a bit of sun yesterday, then a bit of rain, so these should be kind of full of lovely nectar, pollen. Beautiful. And just to show you the habitat is next to my shed and the compost bins. It's very easy to put plants like phaeums anywhere, especially if there's shade. And still eating, still busy working, still collecting. Yum yum. Pig's bum, apple tart and chewing gum. That's a fresh bee. Beautiful bright colour. Because I learnt from Matt Smith and everybody else on the Facebook group, amazing Facebook group, Karen McCartney and everything else, that as bees get older and busier like us, they kind of lose their hair and go a bit grey. But look at that beautiful bee. Oh. I could watch him all day. So fresh, so beautiful. Enjoying that phaeum. So when I divide and my knees hurt and everything else, that's why. Never really see the common carder bee on pulmonaria, but I think it's the perfect form, the phaeum, and the stems are very strong. And just repeat flower and see all the buds on there. There she goes, and guess where she's gone? To another phaeum nearby. Perfect. Take her pollen and nectar back to her nest.